Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I am just coming to you with a new concept, and this is another one of my flat concepts. Now, I'm doing this one in a quest to make it make sense, so I'll explain it to you. I took the red flat tray and lined it with the gold tissue paper. And of course, I was trying to make this look a little Christmassy with the items that I'm going to place in here. Then I took some of the shred that I made and I placed it in here as well. And I didn't need a whole lot of it, but I did place some in there just to give the gold paper a little bit of contrast. And if you remember on my live today, I talked about this shred and how I made it using the paper mache for streamers. And once I got my shred in there, I wanted to start making placements for my items. And you'll see that I placed the items several times to get it the way that I wanted it. Now, sometimes as creators, we have to move things around and get them placed the way that we want them so that they're presentable and they're nice items to go into your baskets. I'm using one of the Nicole Lee wallets that I got from City Trends for this basket. And I'm going to just play around with it here just to get it to sitting the way that I want. And as you can see, we tried this route, and I didn't like this because I didn't want to cover up the wallet. And then I was going to stand it up, but I didn't want the wallet to stand up too high in this flat concept. So I decided that I would catty corner the wallet and lean it backwards, and then place the tags in the front where they could clearly be seen. And sometimes it's good to show the tags of your items so that people know that they're brand new. Now, this collagen packet was actually in a silver box, and I got this from the Dollar Tree, but I decided to take it out of the package and place it next to the journal book. Now, I don't know about you, but when I do my journaling, I do like to do a little bit of self-care. So I will give myself a facial, put on my collagen mask, and then sit down and write my thoughts out. And by the time I'm done writing my thoughts out, it's time to peel my mask off. And another thing that I tend to do is when I do get a new wallet, I will sit down, do a facial, and then trade my old wallet out for my new one. And again, by the time I finish that task, it's time to take my mask off. Now, to give this a more festive look, I decided to go in with the pine needles as well as the berries. And as you can see, again, as creators, we're trying to figure out where am I going to put these decorations to make this look a little more festive. So I will play with this for a little while to get it where I want it and to give it the look that I want. I also added some hand lotion in this set as well. So I moved the pine needle down there to see if it looked better there. And I even thought about taking it out altogether. My daughter said she really liked it because it kind of made the colors in the book as well as the wallet burst out a little bit. And it definitely did a little something to the gold. So I decided to set the pine needle up and put the berries on top. And then I'm going in with the shrink wrap bag and shrink wrapping this gift. so that everything sits the way that it is supposed to, and that the items don't move. So I shrink wrap the wallet and pull it, just to pull it down a little bit. I did the back of it first. And now I'm going into the top of the gift set and the front of the wallet, and getting those wrinkles out of there, because I like my shrink wrap to be as smooth as possible. Now you'll hear some creators say that they love cello, and I understand why. But if you get an issue out in the park and you have to open up your cello bag, you can do that. I am more particular to shrink wrap, and that is just my preference. But I do use cello wrap as well. However, on my flat concepts, I do prefer shrink wrap because I don't want my items to move. So as you can see, I decided to place those berries down there and stand the pine needle up, kind of like a tree. And this is the finished product. I think this has turned out lovely and will make a nice gift for any occasion. Although I've made this for Christmas, it can be used for other occasions as well. So please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.